I'm Rob Owens, President of MechanoMax Modular Solutions.
And I'm Ryan Owens, Manager of Getting Things Done at MechanoMax. I'm here to save you money and help you with those pain-in-the-butt applications.
At MechanoMax, we design and build adjustable, bolt-together steel structures that will save you time and money, kind of like a heavy-duty Mechano set. We design, cut, assemble, and ship your custom solution with a stamped drawing. And we create detailed assembly instructions, so installation is fast and easy.
The system we use is extremely versatile. We're only limited by your needs and our ingenuity. We love new challenges and are constantly developing new applications. Over the last 6 years, we've designed and built modular pipe supports, electrical and instrumentation stands, cable tray supports, access platforms, equipment platforms, and storage mezzanines. Because our components are lightweight and easily assembled, it's an ideal solution for remote locations and tight spaces. We've even built custom speaker and lighting supports for concerts. We use a bolt-together, pre-engineered system that's easy to adjust or modify. Whether it's unexpected site conditions, last-minute changes, or maybe your needs change down the road. That's not a problem with our modular solutions. You can move it in one piece or disassemble and move in pieces, then reassemble in your new location. All the modular components can be reused for another application, so there's no waste.
Our ColdWorks solutions can be installed at any time. No need to wait for a shutdown. No hot work permit. No welds to inspect. No welding at all, even during installation. People use our modular solutions because we save them time and money, especially on labor and engineering costs. We use a pre-engineered steel system made by Hilti and provide engineered stamped drawings, so no more engineering bottleneck. Site installation costs are much lower than typical welded structures because our modular solutions take a fraction of the time to install. We're happy to install if you want, but you probably don't need us on site. We provide detailed assembly instructions, and the system is so well designed, anyone can install with no special training or certification.
Do you have a problem application? Give us a call and put us to work for you.
Let us handle your headaches and save you money at the same time.